So I always wanted one of these when I was a kid. So we got our daughter one of these. It's a Best Choice car, I believe. 12 volt, right on. 1 speed. It's got reverse, forward, and it's got Bluetooth, and it has radio so that she can listen to music. It actually sounds pretty good. The only problem is it's kind of slow. So after the first year, the battery died. So what we decided to do was, I have some DEWALT 20 volt batteries sitting around. We decided to get her a 20 volt conversion for it. So what we did was, here's the battery that went out after the first year. It just wouldn't even charge, nothing. So we got on Amazon, and there are all kinds of kits. The one we got is right here. I can put a link in the description for the exact kit we got, but I took it and I screwed the mounting plate for the battery right to the front. She can slip it right in, and it's got a on-off switch, and all it does is you just cut the connectors that go to the battery, and you put a crimp connector on, red to red, black to black, everything matched up like that. And I tell you what, this thing is fast. She flies around the yard. She keeps up with her zero-turn mower. And I tell you what, when I was a kid, I would have gotten in trouble with this. It's insane. The batteries last way longer than the 12 volt did. She just absolutely loves it. She actually, if she goes in reverse and stops and then goes again and she's on a little hill, it'll do a wheelie. It's insane. But we really like it. The only problem is it is pretty hard on the gears. So last week I was out mowing lawn, she was following me around, and it stopped on her and it blew a fuse. That's why the fuse is not in there at the moment. So I replaced the fuse and blew it again right away. So the problem was the gears were locking up, and she busted the gears. Kind of a downer. But I tell you what, it lasted quite a while on those gears. Probably, I'd say, at least 5 months, if not more. And she drives it a lot. So I got on Amazon, and I have 2 new gear sets. These are supposed to be upgraded motors for it. 35,000 RPMs, 550 motors. So I'm gonna put that in this weekend and see how she likes it. But I would definitely recommend these cars, and if your kids like a little bit of speed, to go get that 20 volt upgrade. And ML Toys has a bunch of add-ons that you can get, like soft start. It has one that will reduce the braking power of it, so it's not so hard on it. And they've got all kinds of upgrades and stuff like that. You should check out their site. Kind of pricey. We didn't want to throw too much into it since this car was already $250, something like that. I can't remember the exact. But I tell you what, it's awesome. And go get yourself a 20 volt conversion. They have them for pretty much every battery line that you do. If you got Milwaukee, or if you got DEWALT, if you have Makita, anything, you can get it. So yeah, simple to do. Just snip the wires, crimp them on, and mount the bracket, and you are off to the races, literally. So, all right. Hope you guys found a little bit of help on that if you're looking to buy one. And maybe I'll post a video on how to change out those rear gears. So, all right, catch you later.